Buddy, naghahanap ka ba ng affordable house na located lang sa Imus, Cavite na pwede sa Pag-ibig Financing? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Yes, ito na nga ang pinaka-affordable at nag-iisang property sa Imus, Cavite na pwede sa Pag-ibig Financing. Located ito sa Barangay Bukandala at few minutes drive going to SM Center, Cavitex, Cavite Laguna Expressway, Vermosa, connecting to Villar City and Alabang. Talaga namang napaka-accessible. 3-story townhouse, may minimum lot size na 50 square meters. Kaya naman may provision tayo for 1 carport. Semi-finished turnover. Ang advantage nito ay mako-customize mo ang interior design ng inyong property. Gaya ng design ng tiles, sukat at layout ng mga rooms at color ng paint. Plus point nga rin dahil lahat ng floors ay may toilet and bath. Available ito sa Pag-ibig at in-house financing. Buddy, you can reserve this property for as low as 5,000 pesos. Kaya naman send me direct message dahil limited slots lang available at para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!